Hi friends! Today we're doing artwork with teacher Simone. We are creating crown-like characters called Corona. What do you think about that, Zoemba?
Cool!
Mom, when are we going to start?
Teacher Simone has already put colourful splodges of paint on all the pages. Take a straw and blow the paint in any direction you want. Try and make your splodges look like crowns. Next, we're going to need some sticky craft glue.
Craft glue. And then you have to squish hard.
The glue can get very sticky.
There, look. This one exploded. This one exploded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Put some glue on your pom-poms and stick them in between the splodges.
Cool!
There you go. Look how colourful these pictures are looking already.
Amazing! Good job!
We are now going to add eyes to our Corona characters. With eyes, these characters will see who is not washing their hands regularly. And guess what? If you don't wash your hands, these characters are going to grow.
Uh-oh!
I think our friends want to tell us something.
These are all the germs.
Wow!
You need to wash your hands every day.
Look at all these beautiful pictures. Our friends have another message for us.
And also don't kill animals.
Don't kill animals or insects.
Or rhinos.
Thank you!
Or lions. Or dogs. Or sharks. Or cats.
Because then Santa's not giving you presents.
And be good and listen to your mommy and daddy.
Daddies.
And you must eat your vegetables too.
I like that!
And also fruits and veggies.
And you must listen to your grandpa and granny. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!